want to define the opposite of healthy, and chances are they may say fat. But there is more to fat than what we have been seeing. There are good fats, and then there are fats we can definitely do without.
Thanks to a fast-paced lifestyle and an eat-on-the-go culture that promotes an unhealthy diet, obesity or being overweight is a global health issue today. And the first thing we blame for being obese or overweight is the fat in our food, our snacks, and just about everything we consume. Well, some fats are responsible for that, but there are certain fats that are indispensable for our body. There are three basic types of fats: monounsaturated fats or MUFAs, polyunsaturated fats or PUFAs, and saturated fats or SATFAs. MUFAs and PUFAs are good fats, SATFAs are bad fats. So what's the difference between them? The good fats are like oil, they flow through our arteries. The bad fats behave like sludge, sticking to the arteries and clogging them. The human body can make all except two fatty acids, linoleic acid and linoleic acid, and therefore they must be obtained from the diet. Because our bodies need them, they are called essential fatty acids. Olive and canola oil are rich in MUFAs and PUFAs, the good fats. Salmon, milk products, almonds, Brazilian nuts, sesame seeds and sunflower seeds contain a high amount of omega-3 and omega-6 fats, which are really good for our bodies. Saturated fats and trans fats fall under the non-healthy fat category. These are usually found in fatty cuts of meat and poultry. Packaged food items, fried snacks, and other ready-to-eat snacks also contain an unhealthy level of trans fats. Fat is the most concentrated source of energy in our diet, providing 9 calories per gram, while carbohydrates and proteins only have 4 calories per gram. Fats help build healthy cells. They form a vital part of the cell membrane, without which the cell cannot function. Fat provides the structural components of myelin, the fatty insulating sheath that surrounds each nerve fiber, enabling it to carry messages faster. Fats provide our body with vitamins. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble vitamins, meaning that the fat in foods helps the intestines absorb these vitamins into the body. Fat is essential for healthier skin. One of the more obvious signs of fatty acid deficiency is dry, flaky skin. Fat forms a protective cushion for your organs, protecting it from injury. This protective fat is the last to be used up when the body's energy reserves are being tapped into. Essential fats such as omega-3 oils reduce the blood's tendency to clot, thus helping to prevent heart disease and strokes. Fatty acids, especially the kinds found in butter and coconut, help white blood cells to recognize and destroy invading viruses and bacteria in our body. Quite clearly, your body needs fat. But what fats do you cut off your diet, and what should you include? Cut down on your much-liked fast food snacks and baked goodies. They contain a high level of trans fats. Lower your consumption of fatty cuts of meat. Butter, hard margarine, milk with higher fat content, and cheese are also a big no-no. Include food that contains omega-3 fats in your diet every day. Oily fish such as tuna, mackerel, and sardines. Nuts and seeds such as walnuts, ground flax seeds. Healthier oils like soybean and canola oil are all rich in omega-3 fats. Also recommended are bajra, rajma, and locally available green leafy vegetables.
Now that you have figured out the good fats from the nasty one, we hope you'll make a healthier food choice the next time you eat. And yes, reaching out for that little bit butter may actually be a healthier choice. After all, bon appetit!